Welcome to Ocean Beach Ibiza Chubby Bunny Challenge, where we got head candy DJ Loeca versus head candy Aerialist Yanellis. It's blonde versus brunette, Cuba versus Island. Who wins? You decide. Uh-oh. And today's challenge is how much candy can you fit inside your head? Where you put one piece of marshmallow at a time and you have to say
Chubby bunny.
Or in Spanish or Cuban, you say
Conejo gordo.
DJs and dancers, that you're ready. Girls on girls. Let's see who can win. Go.
Chubby bunny. Conejo gordo.
Uh-oh.
Chubby bunny.
Uh-oh. Struggling.
Conejo gordo.
Conejo gordo.
Chubby bunny. Conejo gordo.
Oh, that's a mouthful, that is a mouthful. Look how straight your face is.
Chubby bunny. Conejo gordo.
Ah, Chloe, you've done this before. Go, you gotta go.
Chubby bunny.
Yeah, yeah.
Conejo gordo.
Keep it going, keep it going. I didn't hear that, what was that? Nah.
Chubby bunny. Chubby bunny. Conejo gordo.
I just want to point out how good these two girls look with a mouthful of marshmallow.
Chubby bunny.
Is that you? Conejo gordo.
Conejo gordo.
Hey! Alright, I want to see a blue one in. I want to see, you got to put the big blue one in. You got to put the big blue one in. Chloe, that's you, that's you, that's you, that's you, that's you.
I'm not blue.
You got to put it in. You got to put it in. Come on. Put that candy inside your head. Oh, that was a mouthful. That was. Winner! She's done this before. Oh my God! Yes. You got to swallow. You got to swallow.
I'm Loeca.
You've done that before. Chloe, you have lost. You
But I did eat them all.
You have let Island down.
Chubby, I am a chubby bunny.
This is the Ocean Beach Marshmallow Challenge. How many candy can you fit inside your head? Island has lost. Cuba has won. Keep going, keep going.
She's going for more.
Keep going.
I think she's secretly eating them.
She is.
She's swallowing them and fitting more in.
Uh-oh. I can do this all day.
Yeah, but you're not allowed to swallow them.